Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that noise token. Now before start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, noise allows users to send crypto tips in the form of noise tokens automatically and invisibly when they like, comment or follow content on forecaster feeds. Noise is a social FI token that automates crypto rewards for social media engagement on forecaster, turning likes, comments, and follows into micro tips for creators. Noise token total supply is 100 billion and circulating supply is around 59.17 billion noise token. Noise token is listed on Coinbase exchange and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 75% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.